Welcome, guys, to our new topic for today, the multiplication. But first, before we proceed to our topic, let's have a brain exercise. First example. So remember, multiplication is just repeating the same digit number. So before that, let's practice our brain. First example, add the digit number 2 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals. Okay, great. 6. Next example. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals. Okay, good job. 15. And last exercise. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals. Great. 3. Okay, let's proceed. What is multiplication? Multiplication is the basic idea of multiplication that is repeated in addition. So when we say multiplication, this is the shortcut way of repeating the numbers. So again, multiplication is the repeated addition, and it is represented by a symbol X. Multiplication terms, this is important, especially in word problem, so you can identify the problem if it is a multiplication. Okay, we have times, we have the product, and we have the multiply. What are the parts of multiplication? Here we have example 3 times 2 equals 6. The 3 and 2 represent the 3 represent the multiplicand, the 2 represent the multiplier, and the 6 represents our product. Multiplicand and multiplier are also known as our factors. For example, we have 3 times 2 equals 6. The 3 is the group, the 2 is the number of object. For example, let's say we have the group 1, so we have number of object 2. Right here we have the object 2. Next. We have another 2 because we have 3 groups, so we have 3 groups of 2 object. Okay, another 3. So let's count the 3's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you with me, guys? Okay, again, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, as I said earlier, that multiplication is the repeated addition. So, when we say 3 times 2, we just add the 2 3 times. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. The same as 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, it is also can be written as 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. So another example, we have, okay, let me ask you, how many groups do you see in our example? Okay, great. We have 5 groups. Group 1, we have 4 pencils. In group 2, also 4 pencils, 3, 4, and 5. So maybe in your imagination, you have already the answer. So let's proceed. So in addition sentence, we can write this example by 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals. Great! 20 pencils. Okay. Let's rewrite this in our multiplication sentence. So how many groups do you see? Okay, first we should write the group. So we have 5 groups. Then multiply by the number of objects equals the total of objects. So we have 5 groups times, then how many objects in each group have? We have 4. So 5 times 4 equals 20 pencils. It's easy, right? Okay, let's proceed. Are you ready? Let's try. Practice number 1. Okay, I'll give you time. You can pause this video to know what is the answer of this. Okay, we have group 1, group 2. So in addition sentence, we can write this as 4 plus 4 equals 8. So in our multiplication, we should get the number of 8 cars because it is the same in our addition sentence. Okay, in multiplication sentence, first we should write the group. So we have 2 groups. So 2, change the sign into multiplication, times, then count the object in each group. We have 4 cars. Okay, 4, then equals 8 cars. Okay, let's proceed. Another example. Practice number 2. In this example, we should try it without the addition sentence. So take note, I'm gonna give a reminder. In multiplication sentence, we should write first the group. So how many groups do we have? Okay, great. We have 3 groups. So 3. Then multiply by each number of object in each group. How many apples in group 1? Okay, great. We have 5 apples. Okay, multiply by 5. Then how many apples do we have in all? Okay, very good. We have 15 apples. Okay, let's proceed to another example. Practice number 3. In this example, let's try it without addition sentence and illustration. 2 times 5. So we can imagine it in our mind. We have 2 groups. We have 2 groups of 5. So put in your mind we have 5. No. Put in your mind we have 2 5. So in your mind we have 5 plus 5. So we should get the answer of 10. Okay, let's check. Great. So 2 times 5 equals 10. Let's proceed to another. Okay, let's try. Pause the video and try to get the answer of 3 times 2. Okay, great. We have 6. Next, 4 times 5. We have 4 groups of 5 objects. So we should add the 5. We add the 5 4 times. We should add the 5 4 times. Okay, let's try. Okay, great. We have 20. So that's the end of our topic for today, the multiplication. Just a few reminder, if you want to master the multiplication, I suggest to be familiar with our multiplication table. You don't need to memorize it because it is so very difficult to memorize a lot of numbers. Just familiarization can do to master the multiplication. I hope you learned something in our topic for today and keep on practicing to master the multiplication. Don't forget to click like and subscribe for more videos. Have a great day.